Ever wondered how some of the biggest breakthroughs in technology and science come to be? It's not always a straight path from point A to point B. In fact, many of these groundbreaking innovations stem from something quite unexpected, curiosity-driven research. Let me paint you a picture. Think about the rise of deep learning. This revolution didn't start with a clear goal of transforming industries. It began with scientists, purely driven by curiosity, exploring how neural networks could mimic the human brain. They didn't know exactly where their work would lead, but they followed their questions wherever they took them. And look at where we are now. From voice assistants like Siri and Alexa, to medical imaging technologies that can detect diseases early, the impact is everywhere. All because some researchers were allowed the freedom to explore without the pressure of immediate applications. Yet here's the catch. Policymakers often demand tangible outcomes for the funding they allocate. They want to see clear, immediate returns on investment. And I get it. It's important to show taxpayers where their money is going. But this narrow focus can actually stifle the very innovation we seek. Curiosity-driven research is like planting seeds. You don't always know what will grow, but with time and the right conditions, it can yield extraordinary results. Think of molecular biology. The discovery of CRISPR, a tool that allows us to edit genes, came from scientists studying how bacteria defend themselves against viruses. They weren't looking for a gene editing tool at the time, but their fundamental research led to one of the most powerful technologies we have today. By restricting research to only application-based projects, we risk missing out on these unexpected, game-changing discoveries. Sure, targeted research has its place, but it's the blend of both application-driven and curiosity-driven research that truly propels us forward. So, here's my message to policymakers. Trust the process. Allow scientists the freedom to explore their wildest questions. Give them the space to follow their curiosity. It might not always lead to immediate results, but history has shown us that this approach can lead to innovations that transform our world in ways we can't even imagine. Invest in curiosity-driven research. It's an investment in the unknown, but it's also an investment in our future. The next big breakthrough could be just around the corner, waiting to be discovered by a curious mind. Thanks for listening. Let's make sure we keep the spirit of curiosity alive in science.